100k just like that. Just
personally giving him $10,000 to trade with. Hopefully he doesn't lose it.
So what's happening now, Brett?
No, actually. Should find it out, search it online.
and turns out this guy like the most controversial man on the planet and also the most profitable trader in the planet.
Just let me know down in the chat.
It's not so bad. Yeah, making the $10 million is not about the money itself, but it's about the person you have to become in order to be worthy of that 10M. Welcome to the first episode of the Road to 10M series. So I pretty much decided to document my journey to $10 million investment portfolio by the age of 25. And since the start of this year, I pretty much tell myself that I'm gonna make it so that I invest at least 200k every single quarter, like religiously, so that this series is really just there to like keep me accountable and at the same time, just being like extremely transparent and public about every single play that I make for my investment portfolio. And so far, we have already invested about $1.2 million, and I've pretty much been documenting every single purchase of any asset class on my Instagram at brett.go. So you can check that out if you guys want to see. But yeah, from now on, we're just gonna be documenting every single purchase of an asset, whether that's crypto or whether that's a stock, just me deploying my cash, my trading profits into my investment portfolio.
But why though? Why would you want to share this with everybody?
Number one is, I really believe that trading is more of like a vehicle so that I can actually make short-term cash flow, which can be later on funneled into long-term plays. Because at the end of the day, like trading is still you exchanging time for money. Like you still have to physically sit on the charts, analyze the charts, make money by pressing the buy or sell button, right? So it's still not in a sense of making passive income. And the only way, to be honest, to make like real passive income is through the dividends of your investments and through like, you know, the appreciation of your investments, and those profits are able to cover your living expenses. That is when you can fully be like retired and be like good. And the next thing is, I just really wanted to make sure that I document my entire investing journey, because so far we have documented my entire trading journey, you know, from trading $20 accounts to now like making 6 figures a month. And now the next step is to really like just funneling all the trading profits and like documenting the investing journey. Because to me, I just wish that, I don't know, Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, George Soros has documented their entire journey to billions of dollars. So to me, this is one way to keep me accountable so that I can invest every single quarter. And another thing is so that I can just publicly document this so that in the future, my kids can see what Daddy Brett did, you know?
That's nice. Brett, so I think the whole world wants to know, what does your portfolio looks like now?
So right now, we got 3 portfolios. Number 1 is my crypto portfolio. Number 2 is a stock portfolio on Saxo Trader. And then number 3 is another stock portfolio on Interactive Brokers. So right now on Saxo Trader, we are not really diversified, but we are heavily invested into AI and technology stocks. And this portfolio has about $730,000 right now. And that's including the profits as well. So far, if you look at the returns, year-to-date returns, once again, I've literally started this portfolio at the start of this year itself. We have already made about 113k in P&L, right? 130k to be exact. And yeah, this is where I'm heavily invested into technology stocks and AI stocks. And also like just my dividend plays and also like just investing into the S&P 500. So that's my stock portfolio. And then next is my second portfolio. This is my crypto portfolio. It's funny because like last year I didn't really believe in crypto, but this year I'm really getting into it because of the fact that I realized that every single smart person that I know, they have some skin in the game in crypto. So I was thinking, okay, cool, they must know something that I don't. So I started getting into crypto and then just like, oh shit, I'm loving it, man. Like I'm loving it. If you guys have seen the past few videos that I've done about crypto, you will know that I'm so bullish on crypto right now. It's actually crazy. But yup, today the market is down. So it's looking a little bit red right now. Not looking good, bruv. But anyways, this is how much we have invested in crypto in the past 30 days. We have bought about, I think, 250k worth of Bitcoin and then about 100k worth of Ethereum. Right, so later on, we are gonna put more into this crypto portfolio itself. So the final portfolio is actually another stock portfolio in Interactive Brokers. So in this particular portfolio itself, this is how much we have, about 257k. And these are the stocks that we are holding in here. We got Coinbase stock and also Charles Schwab ETF right here. This is more of like a dividend play. And then this is because I just believe that Coinbase is gonna be like the #1 crypto platform out there. I really enjoy using it myself as well. So yeah, man. Coinbase over Binance.
Brett, how much are we investing today?
So today we are doing 200k. We're gonna put 100k into Tesla stock, and then we're gonna put another 100k into Bitcoin later as well. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna deposit in here. You can see this is how much dividends I've earned so far. And the good thing about Saxo is that it allows you to just deposit money just by typing the figure in here, and it's connected to like your bank account, and it will just come into your account like quite fast. And that's it, right there. You can see your instruction to transfer funds have been submitted. Yeah. Yep, so you can see right now we just deposited about $100,000 onto Saxo Trader itself. And I can just come in here, go to Tesla stock over here, and this is where I'm gonna place like a limit order, and I'm gonna explain why I'm actually buying Tesla and Bitcoin and why I'm so bullish about these assets later. Yep, so right now just place a buy order, so when the market actually open, we will immediately jump in for Tesla. Cool? So yep, right there, 100k in Tesla, easy game. Yo, so this morning while we were filming the vlog, and I actually deposited around like 100k into like this investment account to buy Tesla stock, I realized that I bought 17 Tesla shares, bro. So I only realized when I actually went to the orders and I saw that there was only 17 shares like in the order, in the pending order right now. So I was like, oh my god, that's so freaking stupid, because I wasn't meant to buy 17 shares. That's like less than 10,000 bucks. I was meant to buy 177 shares. So I went in there, cancelled all the order, and right now we're gonna enter into an order again. Instead of going for like a market order, I decided to go for like a limit order because I think Tesla is gonna drop even further. I do think their price can potentially drop to like this 420 level, and this is the price that I'm more than happy to actually get into. So I'm gonna place like a limit order right here, as you guys can see. Boom, you can see everything is in place right now. Once again, buy limit order, 182 shares on Tesla stock at $420. Confirm. You place an order to buy 182 shares. Now it's just a matter of waiting for me to get tapped into the trade, which could potentially happen when the market open in about 30 minutes from now. But yeah, it's gonna get to the 420. If not, you could potentially get to this 424 area. Anyways, regardless, I'm buying 100k worth of Tesla tonight, no matter what price it actually gets. So yeah, let's just see what happens when the market open. Yo, the market just opened and look at where price is at right now. Dude, this is actually crazy. It opened at 424. Now it started to collapsing, coming down to our 420 level that we have marked up right there. I know this is like a weird price, but this is a psychological level for Tesla, because Elon Musk once tweeted about, price being 420 or some bullshit like this. But yeah, that is why price is gonna respect the level right there. So yeah, then just waiting for me to get tapped into the trade. Come on, man. Yeah, you can see this is the broker prices right now, around 423. Selling pressure stepping into the market itself, and we can potentially, let me see this. Oh, we just got them to the trade right there. Trade confirmation. Bought about a total of 182 shares, just like this. As you guys can see, this is the final confirmation itself. This is the entire Tesla position right now. We own about 482 shares. Next, let's go to Coinbase, and we are gonna deposit 100k in here as well. So Coinbase is a little bit different.
Brett, any emotion when you press the buy button?
Zero, bro. Zero, man. It's actually crazy, bro. Yeah, so 100k in here, 100k.
Bro, just deposit 100k into Coinbase, just like that,
just like that, man. Dude, it's crazy because like, I think the main reason why I don't feel anything is because of the fact that I have so much conviction in this place. It's like, I just know that they're gonna go up, right? It's just about the timing that, like we could potentially go into like a drawdown for the next few days. The market can crash a little bit more, but like 5 years from now, it's gonna go up, right? So yeah, man, don't feel much emotion. So yeah, you can see 100k in here. Just going to come on to home. Just going to put max over here. Full pot the shit out of my balance, which is about 100k right there. Max, 100k, buy Bitcoin, review order, buy 100k of Bitcoin. There we go. Fees, spread, whatever. Buy now. We just bought 0.735159 Bitcoin. I'm not really satisfied with this. I want to have like 1 Bitcoin. So what? I'm just gonna deposit more. Okay, I'm just gonna deposit more.
Huh? Right now?
Right now, bro. Fuck, man. It's like, I have to make it 1, Like, it's just so unsatisfying to see like that 0.73 number there.
What?
Okay, how much do I need to deposit for this?
30k?
Is it?
0.7 of a Bitcoin is 70k, right?
1 Bitcoin.
Brett, so is your math really good?
No, fuck no, man. I know I might be an Asian, but like the math ain't adding up, bro. Bro, I don't know how much is 0.3 Bitcoin, so I'm just gonna put like another 30,000. I'm too lazy to do the math, bro.
7-figure trader doesn't know how to do math. Brett, you just put over 200k in to like Bitcoin and stocks. What's your investing philosophy?
So my investing philosophy is something similar to what Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett does. Basically, I believe in quality over value, which means that I don't just buy stocks that are cheap. I buy stocks that are valuable, that will appreciate in the long term. And it's the same thing with other assets like crypto as well. It's like whatever they buy, I just want to know for a fact that it's going to appreciate and it's going to go up in the next 5 to 10 years. There's this famous quote by Charlie Munger which says that you would rather buy great companies at a fair price than fair companies at a great price. And I pretty much adopted that same philosophy. And to me, it's not just about great companies at fair price, but also buying great companies at great prices, great assets at great prices. So right now the market has just crashed recently. You know, it's not looking good, but you gotta buy when the streets are red. You gotta trade in the opposition of like everybody else. I always say this, you should trade where the crowd hesitate. If it's easy to buy, don't. If it's easy to sell, don't. You should take the trade that is psychologically uncomfortable. When everybody's selling, buy. It's like the best time to sell is when your freaking barber and your taxi driver is talking about Bitcoin. The best time to buy is when everybody is pessimistic and saying that Bitcoin is gonna go to $0 and all that bullshit. That's the best investing tip right there.
Alright bro, you hungry?
Fucking hungry, bro. All right, so yeah, let's go for lunch right now. And I'm gonna explain why I bought Tesla and Bitcoin and why I think Tesla is gonna get to at least $2,600 and why Bitcoin is gonna get to $1 million in the next 5 to 10 years or so.
2, 3, make it fun! Make it fun! Ha! Make it fun! I got the...
When was your first private jet? When are you gonna
Next year, bro.
Next year, serious
Next year when I go to US.
Oh shit, you're actually gonna do private jet?
Yeah, we're gonna do private jet.
We're gonna cross-cut this to the next vlog and in the US.
Probably episode 5. Episode 5 of Road to Thailand. So this is actually my videographer Jarren, and he's also my buddy in the military. So he's gonna be in these episodes quite a lot. And I think the main thing is that he's gonna be posing as like an average investor. So it's like he's pretty much you guys. And then whatever advice that I give to him, wherever he goes, I go as well. And I think it's important for you guys to understand how we first met. Because like, I swear to God, it's like fate. It's literally destiny. I remember like when I first enrolled into the military and I was introduced to my buddy, and this guy was my buddy, and I was telling him like, what do I do? And I told him that I was like a YouTuber, and then he told me that he was like a videographer. So it's like matchmake in heaven.
Yeah, bro. I thought when he said YouTuber, I thought he meant like, you know, a few hundred subscribers trying his best to be a YouTuber. When I met him, I think you had like 10k, right? About that?
I think we're going to 100k.
Yeah, bro. So during army, he hit 100k. And was it during army he hit 1 million?
No, after army we hit 1 million.
Almost right after army, right? He hit 1 million, yeah. So I mean, and like, he was my. I remember going to army. Then my first thought was like, who? I know I watched the Boys to Men, right? So I know your buddy is very important.
Yeah.
So then I was thinking like, who is going to be my buddy? But I hope it's not some fat ass loser.
Sorry.
Sorry.
It's fine, just unfiltered, bro.
Yeah. So like, yeah. I just hope it wasn't. I hope somebody had some drive in him lah. And turns out this guy like the most controversial man on the planet and also the most profitable trader in the planet.
So in the army, like doing basic military training, same thing as him. I was like hoping for like a hard-ass guy, not like a soy boy. And bro, we got like the best platoon ever. Like the instructors were making us all do like some basic training, but we always went above and beyond. And our motto was like, don't be a bitch. So it's like we'll run rounds in circles and then we said, don't be a bitch.
I remember I was like, don't be a, the other every echo beat. Oh my god, it was like quite cringe now that I think about it, but I I mean, it was memories lah, so it's like.
Yeah, man, it really feels like it, honestly.
Yeah, and then it's even more fake that I go into his unit. So basically the whole 2 years we were together except for this 1 6-month period, which is crazy. So I know him for like 2 years-ish already. So I've been on his Dubai trip. I've been like, I know how he lives his life, so I'm just here. And I also just recently got started into like options and like trading. So he got a fucking 7-figure mentor to teach me side by side.
I think he's the perfect person for like this vlog. Not only the fact because he's like my best friend and he knows me the best, but also he got pretty damn good conversational and videography skills, right? So it makes the vlog more dynamic and more exciting rather than just me yapping as usual.
Yes, he yaps a lot. You know, I asked him one question, he can yap for 20 minutes, so I don't ask questions.
So yeah, we're just having lunch right now. After this, we're hitting the gym.
Yeah. Why did you choose to put $100,000 in Tesla?
So to me, I believe that Tesla will eventually get to around like 2.6K because it's not just a car company. I think that's like where most people are like misunderstanding it.
Okay.
It's literally like a convergence of like 3 major platforms. Number one, AI in terms of like the robo-taxi, the self-driving, the full self-driving, all that stuff. And I'm a big believer that like 10 years from now or 20 years from now, there will not be any like normal cars. There will be like full self-driving cars every single where. Like people won't even need to like drive anymore.
Okay.
And the only reason you would drive is for fun, like your vintage car, you know, you bring it to like the car track and you fuck around with that. And the next thing is that it's also building like robot humanoids, you know, like the Optimus robot. That's really cool, right? So it's like going into robotics as well. And it's also in charge of like energy saving, you know.
But you see, these are all products, but like, don't you see like the founder also, like who's running the company? Like, what's their values they have also, the company values? Do you look at that also?
Yeah, so I think another big part is that I have so much belief in Elon Musk because like he has such a maniacal focus where he set big ass goals and then he show up to that goal itself. Like set the goal, then he set out to accomplish that goal.
So you believe in his goals, his vision?
I believe that he can accomplish his goals. Like,
but 2.6K is a fast stretch. Now it's 300 only ish.
It's like 430 right now.
430.
So I think it can reach around 2,600 or 2,500 in about 5 years from now. Like, that's like me being conservative. Yeah, me being conservative.
Wow, that's conservative. Then Bitcoin? Okay, I'm a believer in crypto, but I didn't know he was a believer in crypto until like recently. Was it recently or? Yeah.
So it's funny because like last year during the Dubai trip, you were there as well. We were having this podcast.
Yeah.
And then like the interviewer was asking me whether I invest in crypto, and I say fuck no because like, I just didn't believe in that shit because he was like outside of my circle of competence.
Yeah.
And I don't invest in anything that I don't understand.
Yeah.
At the start of this year, I started getting into it, and I realized that it's not just like an asset; it's like a revolution against like the current monetary system, against fiat. So yeah, I believe that it's gonna get to $1 million by 2030. Like once again, that's like me being optimistic. So right now it's sitting at 100K. So I expect it to like 10x in the next 10 years. Because once again, it's a whole new different asset class. Like the last time we got like an asset class was when stocks came out. Right? So like it's an entirely new different asset class. It's also like a new digital asset. And right now, comparing like the speed in which AI is advancing, we are pretty much going to be transitioning into like a digital world where we require digital asset, a digital currency. And Bitcoin is that thing, right? It's that thing right now. It's like the head of cryptocurrency. And then it's also like an entirely new global monetary system, right? Because it allows people to just have sovereignty over their own currency rather than having to call their bank to transfer money or doing all like these weird procedures. The next thing is that it is a storage of value. It's literally digital gold. Yeah, and I think the last thing, or rather the big push for Bitcoin to get to $1 million is probably mass adoption for government and institutions. Once everybody starts adopting Bitcoin as like the new norm, that is when we can see Bitcoin just. skyrocketing?
My perception is actually it's a little bit different. After I went to a lot of talks from, because we have a lot of crypto clients, so I went to a lot of talks recently. Actually, I feel like Bitcoin is not going to be adopted by institutions. I feel like stablecoin is going to be adopted by institutions. Bitcoin is the one that is driving the whole crypto world. So like, if there's more money in Bitcoin, there's more belief in crypto. There's more belief in crypto, then more institutions will adopt crypto. Or institutions will adopt stablecoin. Then the Bitcoin is just the one that is like pumping the perception of whether Bitcoin is crypto is good or not. So that's my perception.
I think it's important for you to identify like what's the fastest horse, because Bitcoin might not be the fastest horse in the race.
Yeah.
Like you just invested into Solana.
Yeah.
So Solana might like move faster than Bitcoin.
Yes.
Yeah, but to me it's like I don't know anything about like fucking stable coins and all that shit, so I just put it in Bitcoin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Solana, because it's everything. You know all those like pump and dumps. They use Solana. Everything uses Solana, like Phantom or whatever. Yeah. So I feel like I know Solana, so that's why I invest.
So we are like not super duper into crypto, but we kind of know like the surface level of it, and I think that's good enough, right? Because like as long as you have some skin in the game, like you actually have money invested in crypto, that's good, man.
Yeah.
Rare footage of Brett outside his house right now. This is the ugliest car ever. No, I changed my mind. Mini Cooper is the ugliest.
Mini Cooper is nice though.
For girls. So right now we are heading to the gym. Gonna get my daily workout in with Jarren. You didn't know, it's gonna be a long day, motherfucker. It's gonna be a long day, bro. So we used to do this thing back in the military where we would do pull-ups and then we would see who stopped first. And trust me, it's a long ass motherfucking day when that actually happens. Because nobody will stop.
I remember this is the only time where I get with Brett. If not, Brett is working at his fucking laptop all the time. It's not, I do like, then after that, first one to give up is a bitch.
Your name is Jarren. Okay, wrong name. So give me how you spell your name. J-A-R-R-E-N.
Bro, this guy want to train legs. I want to train some upper body. So we decided to just do what we want to do each.
That's the squats, man.
What? I have to go cycling tomorrow, bro. I might try your squats. Yeah.
You did a shot.
I ain't a little bitch, bro. I'm the American style.
Hell yeah. Right.
Squats, man.
This is the result of not doing leg day.
I can do a one-arm pull-up. Okay, I cannot.
Wait, let me try. Let's try that.
This guy just flew, bro. What the hell? So whatever weight that Brett does, right, I'm gonna do that weight also.
Yeah, this guy has never done leg day. Hey, how long?
1 year.
1 year?
1.5 years, I think.
Yeah. Let's do more reps. Oh yeah. This motherfucker, man. This motherfucker.
Must put the music.
So we are here in this beautiful gym.
But why gym in the first place though?
You gotta prepare yourself for the unchosen suffering. It's like you gotta actively choose suffering so that when life throws shit at you, you're prepared for it. That's why you train. That's why I train every day. Right? Jarren trains every day as well.
Nah, I'm a slacker. So you know,
Bullshit though. That's a bullshit thing. Other than me, this guy's like the hardest worker in the military. That's why we have like this
competitive push amongst each other.
This guy's the house worker in the office. I'm the house worker in the military.
So this is the workout that ChatGPT has generated for me. 20 minutes Hyrox workout. We're gonna do ski, lat push, lat pull, row, broad jumps, farmer's carry, wall balls, slap push, lightweight daily, lightweight. We're gonna crush it. These are warm up, bro.
Hey, this is warm up.
Yeah.
I thought this was the thing.
Lower. It's just cycling is more fun.
After this, you do slap push. Okay, slap push, let's go.
Bro, you're too slow, man.
Fuck your face, man.
So what's happening now, Brett?
So she's our new coach, Hyrox. She's quite experienced, so she's training us
Not.
how to do this.
So she's showing us how it's done.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yo, she's quite strong. What the fuck? What's wrong, man?
Then she can pull me and say that.
Lean back.
Okay.
Lean back. Pull. There you go.
Alright.
Come on, bro, in my daily steps.
Use your core muscles to lean back and pull. There you go. Yeah.
There we go.
I feel like doing a half squat now.
I think my gallery.
We have to do mandatory burpees.
20 of it.
And then before that, we do like 500 meter row on that machine. Yeah.
Okay.
So how many you gonna do?
500 meters. Just row. Just row. That's what our coach said.
$314.
The loser trick dinner, bro.
Okay, he's doing twice as fast and you go twice.
This is what you get with Jarren, man. It's gonna be a long ass day, bro.
What happened, How many meters to see that?
314.
300? 300? I'm at 200.
Let's go. The last 50 meters is sprint.
Okay. I'm already sprinting, bro.
How many meters you at?
360.
They don't know me, son. They don't know me, son. 500, baby. 501. They don't know me, son. Hey, no, bitch. Don't be a bitch. Bro, we have like 18 more exercises to go. Okay, no, we have like 3 more, 4 more. No more.
Hiya, Brett.
Fuck lah,
Don't be a bitch, lah.
I have to do it as well. This fucking guy, man. Yeah. Uncommons amongst uncommons.
Let's go, Brett.
So right now I'm gonna race with her. You're gonna see who should add first. She got a lot of energy left, but you can see I'm good, bro. Let's do it, okay?
1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Okay, so who won?
Come on, bro. Okay, she won. Ladies first. But this is like 2 of my machine gun, bro.
Let's go.
So your knee must touch the floor. Without some energy.
What? Yeah, this is army, bro. You cannot beat me, lah. You want race?
This one?
Yeah, want race? I know I will win.
Okay, let's do it.
Bro, just stop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Chicken dinner.
50,000 bonus. Now what time? How what was this?
Another 50 of this ball thing.
Yeah, our coach said so.
Yep.
And this is the last exercise.
You're gonna burn up.
There you go. Higher. Goes 104. 24. 5. Up. 6. No, 7. 8. 9.
You're right, man. It's harder than it looks.
Very good.
I think you're good.
Okay.
Are you still studying?
I'm working.
Like full time? No, it's like, okay, cool.
You can try and guess my age.
20, 23?
22.
Oh shit! 20, I'm 23.
Oh, really?
We are both 20, turning 23.
What's the birthday?
What?
24?
November.
Oh, this is December. I thought you
What?
Capricorn, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Sagittarius.
Do you believe in horoscope?
Does the Capricorn and the Sagittarius match?
I don't know actually. Should find it out so you don't mind.
She got the game, man. Oh, we made them out of blueberries. That looks gnarly. So this is my first time blending a protein shake with like blueberries. So taste test. It's not so bad. It's actually kind of nice. It's not bad, huh?
Not bad though. Not bad.
Cool, time for coaching call. I know you say time and skin is how you get good in the market. Besides live trading, daily backtesting, journal and reviewing, what are some things I can do to go the extra mile if I have a full day to work with to maximize my time? That's it, bro. That's it. I'm a big believer that life is lived in the arena. Trading is lived in the arena, which means that you have to be that gladiator. You have to put on your armor and you have to go into the arena to fight the freaking monsters, to actually experience what it's like to actually have skin in a game. That's the fastest way to learn. In fact, that's the only way to learn. So backtesting is good in terms of like testing out your trading strategy in like simulated market condition. But I big believer that the live market condition, that is where you truly learn. Because I didn't learn by starting a bunch of books or like watching a bunch of videos. No, I learned by doing. I learned by failing. I learned by blowing accounts. I learned by reviewing my mistakes continuously and just refining my trade plan. Bro, those are all you need. Like, you don't need much. Anyone can work when they have motivation or inspiration, but very few can work when nobody's watching. And the people who can work when nobody's watching, right, do all this boring shit that you can see on the screen right now, the live trading, the journaling, the reviewing, and they do it for years, those are the guys that win. It's like, there's not much else, bro. Like, if you can just do this stuff right here with sufficient time, which compound your knowledge, then you're gonna get good.
How was the call?
It was great, man. As always, I delivered. I dropped a bunch of sauce in that coaching call itself. And I answered a lot of like questions that I normally don't get often, right? So it's good to hear like different sort of questions. And I think the main takeaway from the call itself is, like I said, at the end of the day, the work just needs to be done. And not only does it need to be done, it needs to be reviewed, right? And I think like the latter part is the thing that so many people miss. They do all of this rep, they lose so much money, they take all of this trade, but they don't go in there and review the trade. And if you don't review the trade actively, you're not gonna learn from a mistake. You're just gonna repeat the same unconscious patterns over and over again. And to me, I define learning as changing behavior, right? So it's not just memorizing information. It's applying information and it's changing behavior. Because if you don't change your behavior, you still do the same old stupid shit, you still commit the same old mistake over and over again, then you shouldn't be complaining about the fact that you're unprofitable. You are not consistently profitable because your actions are not consistent. So start by becoming more consistent in your actions. Start by changing who you are outside of the charts and watch your P&L reflect that progress, that transformation. So yeah, now speaking of reviewing, we are going to explore what my new app is about, my new AI trading super app, and trust me, it helps to make the entire reviewing process 10 times easier, 10 times more efficient. Let's do it. Jarren, I'm done.
Okay, let's stop.
Let's do it.
Alright, bro. How's the coaching call?
Good, man. Good. Now it's time to look at the big boy app.
Yes, yeah. Wow, I can't wait to show. This is the first time you're showing the world EdgeFlo, is it?
Yep, the first time.
So-
So we've been doing this since the start of this year. Yeah.
So what's EdgeFlo about, dude?
So EdgeFlo is the world's first trading super app. It allows you to perform your pre-market, your trading, and your post-market routine, which pretty much allows you to do your analysis, your execution, your journaling, your reviewing, your meditating, even checking the news all in one place, all in one app.
Oh, all in one app?
All in one app.
Oh, dude, that sounds exciting. Eh? What? That sounds like cool. Okay. Then, like, how much you spent so far? Oh.
So far, we already spent over like $200,000 building EdgeFlo. No investors, no VC money, no sugar daddy, just my trading profits and pure conviction, because I genuinely believe that EdgeFlo isn't just another app. It's the software I wish existed back when I was struggling. It's a tool that makes traders more disciplined, more self-aware, more independent. And since no one decided to build it because it's too damn hard, I decided to build it for all of us.
So you're the only VC lah.
I'm the venture capitalist, I'm the CEO, I'm fucking everything.
Just like if you're 1% club, you're the everything, you're the founder, everything.
Yeah, so pretty much bootstrap everything.
Okay.
Because like I said, man, like I've been trading for so long, like 7 years right now, made a lot of money, but I realized that I still had to juggle 6 different apps, 6 different journals and spreadsheets, just so that I can stay disciplined, just so that I can take a trade. So instead of waiting for someone else to build it, I was like, why don't I just do it myself? So what I did was that I hired like developers across 3 different countries around Europe and just bootstrap the entire thing from scratch.
So now that I'm trading like Forex and stuff, is it a good app for me?
It's the best freaking app. Let me show you how it's done.
Okay, let's go. Excited.
Cool.
So you can make me more money lah.
It will change your behavior so you can make more money.
Okay.
So Jarren, this
Okay.
is the trade execution platform. The app is obviously not fully built out yet, right? But the first thing you can see is this is where you can do your buy and sell. You can analyze the chart. You can actually ensure that you follow your pre-market routine by having like this banner right here. So if you click on any of this button right here, it directs you to that particular step of the pre-market routine. So this automatically ensures that you are more disciplined, so that you are following every step of your pre-market routine and you are doing your preparation and your research and your analysis before you start entering buy and sell recklessly. Yeah, so that's the pre-market routine. Next, this is the entire execution feature. Like I said, the main thing that really helps out is what we have on the right-hand side right here.
Okay.
So you can see over here there's trades today,
Yeah.
and then this is also the max profit and max loss.
Okay.
So this actually prevent people from over trading, because when you actually start using EdgeFlo, you can choose how many trades you are allowed to take per day. So if you've taken 5 trades per day, then once you hit 5 trades per day, you're done. Like we will literally gray out the button right here, so you are not allowed to buy and sell. So this prevents you from revenge trading. And then there's also like this max loss and max profit target that you can set. Once again, when you hit the profit target for the day, or when you hit the max loss for the day, the button is grayed out. So this prevents you from taking more stupid trade and trading more emotionally.
Okay. Interesting.
So yeah, right here, this is what we call a smart trading platform. And in the future, we plan to integrate AI into it so that the AI can actually coach you live when you are trading. So if you're emotional, you are, I'm about to enter for a buy prematurely, the AI will stop you. The AI will give you live feedback like a live coach.
Huh? Like tell you when to stop buying or stop selling.
Exactly. So that, once again, prevent you from making stupid decisions and incurring unnecessary losses.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So is it the AI coach would be like Brett? I'm like listening to Brett right now.
Exactly.
And then your pre-market routine, everything is optimized to a 7-figure trader schedule.
So we will give you customization. You can actually choose what steps you want to remove or add from the pre-market routine.
Okay.
But we have like certain presets, so you can actually get my entire pre-market routine, my entire trading routine, in fact, via this app itself. So you can literally think and trade like me.
Okay, nice. So I'll hit my 7 figures soon. Maybe tomorrow I'll
Maybe
use
like 5 minutes after you use this app.
Okay. Alright then, what else?
So over here, we got the one-click trading platform, right?
Okay.
So this is usual, any sort of trading platform, we got a one-click trading platform because we want to optimize for speed, right? But what sets EdgeFlo apart is the fact that you can actually calculate your lot size automatically. So right now what happens is that if a user want to calculate the lot size, they have to go to this separate position size calculator, key in how much account balance they have, what's their risk per trade, then it will calculate the lot size.
Yeah.
But by the time they do that, the trade has already fly, the opportunity has already been gone.
Yeah.
So what we've done right here is that we have pretty much shortened the process. In fact, eliminated the entire friction by ensuring that we calculate the lot size for you based on, once again, your settings. So if you're risking 1% of your entire account, you come in here, you place your stop loss, it automatically calculates the lot size for you.
Wow. Okay, not bad.
So right now, let's say I want to enter for a buy on GPUSD, and I place my stop loss at 1.31, right, or 1.30. And you can see, based on the risk per trade, which is 1% of your account balance, it automatically calculates a lot size for you over here. So you can actually just enter for a buy right here, knowing that you're going to risk this amount of money. And once again, it reduces the friction of you going to a separate lot size calculator. So that's pretty much the smart trading platform, right? Obviously, we got a lot of cool features coming out very, very soon. But like I said, this is not just an execution platform, right? It's not just for you to buy and sell. It's for you to do every single step of your trading routine in here. So let's say over here, I've made money from a trade. I've decided to close the trade. Like for example, this trade right here made about 130 bucks. So what I'll do is that I can choose whether I want to close 100% of the position or 50%. So I close half, let the other half run to the take profit, whatever. But let's say I want to close the entire position right here. Once that actually happens, you can see, we actually ask you, how do you feel from that trade itself? So that you can actually record your emotion right after your trade, when you are the most emotional, and this will automatically get recorded in your trading journal. Once again, this becomes you to be more aware of your emotion before and after your trade, so that you can spot the unconscious patterns you tend to repeat over and over again and strive to break the self-destructive patterns.
Right, so you have to open your book, then write, today I did this trade, then after write the reflection. It's all boom. Then after this goes straight to the journal.
Straight to the journal.
Okay, that's quite smart.
What's very cool is that you can actually add a voice reflection.
Oh shit. So when you lost $1 million, you can record your voice.
Yeah, you can literally record a voice and it will transcribe right here. And then once again, this will be sent to the journal itself.
Oh,
so
sweet.
Once again, I think the goal is to really just reduce the friction when it comes to all the boring, repetitive tasks like journaling and all that shit that people don't like to do. But we reduce the friction, we make it much more easier, and now they can just do it efficiently and with less discipline because we are just doing it for you. So next, let's go to the journal. So the entire app is not built up fully right now, but right now a few features are built out. So over here we got the journal feature. So this is nothing new. There's a lot of trading journal in the space right now. Okay, but the main thing is, like I said, we want to make sure that we are performing everything in here. So over here, when you look at the journal, you can actually see your win rate, your average R multiple, all the important metrics on the first glance when you just hover around it like this. And you can see your P&L for the month, so on and so forth. And when I click on any one of this, I can actually go and journal that particular trade itself, right? So I press this, and this is where you do your journaling, right? You put your higher time frame chart, you put your lower time frame chart, you put your medium time frame chart, and on top of that, you also put in the emotion that you face, right? So if you have input an emotion when you are trading, it will automatically appear right here. Okay, so emotion entry, emotion exit, the entry confluences, the trade management, mistakes, so on and so forth. And once again, do a reflection right here, while ensuring that you got all your data right in front of you so you can actually think about what went wrong and what went right. This is a feature that we are working on right now. Every single week, at the end of each week, at the end of each month, what will happen is that the AI will generate a report for you that just analyze the trade that you've taken for the past week and just give you active feedback of what went right, what went wrong, and how you can improve next week.
Okay, that's quite smart. That's quite cool.
Yeah.
Walao. Yeah. So basically, will you take all your journal notes and then after compile into then after they'll put inside the AI, then the AI will decide, okay, this week you felt a bit whatever.
Yeah, it will track your emotion and what went wrong with your strategy, how you can improve. And on top of that, you can also do your manual review if you like to do so. So Jarren, how do you find EdgeFlo so far, knowing that you've just explored 2 of the many features that we are gonna provide?
Honestly, it's a bit overwhelming. I don't really know Forex too much. I only just started a few months. And then I always looking for an app that like I can journal because I will open my book and I write the journal, or like it's all in a different app. But I think it's pretty cool because like you put everything in one app, then I don't have to like think so much. I can just like I just click the next button, that's my journal, or like everything is like you know the flow is like A to Z. You know what I mean? I don't have to like it's easier for my brain lah. The mind flow is easier. But overwhelming in a sense where I don't know. Sometimes I don't really know what I'm looking at. So you got a lot of things going on. So like I think I need to learn more Forex then I can understand like what is going on lah. But it's really cool that I think one feature that stands out is that I can buy and sell inside the platform. Like I expected you to like this was just to view charts, to draw your chart, and then after that go and buy on another exchange. But you've collaborated with an exchange or something like that so that you can do this feature, right?
We can connect to MetaTrader right now. In the future, we will explore other brokers as well. But whatever trade that you take on MetaTrader, it will appear on EdgeFlo. Whatever trade that you take on EdgeFlo, it will appear on MetaTrader as well.
And I think it's cool that you're building this up, bro. Quite sick.
Yeah.
It's quite
Appreciate
sick.
it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. Probably next episode, teaching Jarren how to trade Forex.
Yes, I need to teach me how to trade Forex.
Yeah, like and comment if you want to see that episode. This guy is so new to Forex. So yeah, I'm definitely like excited to actually do that. I'm gonna be like personally giving him $10,000 to trade with. Hopefully he doesn't lose it.
What is a lot size?
Sizzling hot. Oh, spicy, baby.
Sorry, we're just having some dinner now.
Barbecue little things.
Bro, what are you having for dinner?
So I'm actually having roasted teriyaki chicken. This shit right here is much more tasty than it looks. Yeah, it's much more tasty than it looks. So what I usually do is that I take this, put it in the microwave right here, my best friend, put it in there for like 5 minutes, 30 seconds. And bro, it tastes like fresh cooked food. I kid you not, man.
It doesn't even look like 48 grams of protein, that's the crazy part.
Right.
I realized that just live life the way you want to live. I don't care what protein you just eat the cai peng. Fuck it, man.
What do you feel about his the way he's living now?
Dude, like I said, success is getting what you want from life. And that's what Jarren wants. He wants to do bungee jumping, skydiving, fucking run a triathlon. That's him.
And Brett is what do you want? What do you want in life?
Probably to die without any regrets. But I think on my deathbed is like I would regret the things that I wish I would have done but I didn't done. Those are the stuff that like I probably would have like a huge regret. Like that's something that just will not change.
Do a Brett Go philosophical another YouTube channel.
I actually have Bread Unfiltered.
Oh yeah, right.
I just did like a video recently.
You know when you sit in the bathtub, then you're talking to the camera. If you want to see Brett nudes, you can go to breadunfiltered.com.
I just did like a video on there. Life is difficult. This video will help. Go and watch that shit.
Alright, we're just having some lunch now.
Dinner.
Sorry, we're just having some dinner now. Brett's heating up his food. His food takes so long, bro. 5 minutes just to heat up. Actually, my food takes 50 minutes to come, so.
We gotta see the millionaire waiting for his food to come.
Oh, there we have it, man. Sizzling hot and spicy, baby. Look at that. It looks good, bro. Bro, trust me, it tastes like better than it looks. Just trust, bro. Bon appetit.
But it's good.
Right?
Oh, now
I told you, it tastes like the chicken that we ate for lunch just now.
that's Hey, this is 48 grams of protein. What the hell?
I know.
It looks like 15 only.
I couldn't believe it as well.
It's good, yeah? Wow.
When I actually ate this, right, I was like, there's no way there's 48 grams of protein in this because I expected like a big fat stick on it.
Yeah.
Right. But the thing is, like, one of these is like $15. So it's like, I go down and I get that like cai fan, right?
Yeah.
It's like fucking $5-6 and you get like more ingredients than this.
But you get paid more per hour.
Yeah,
anyway,
so it's like the decision fatigue, you know?
Yeah, enough of opportunity cost. Being a performative meal. Let's eat dinner, bitches.
Performative male things, yeah?
It's gonna get clipped.
Performative male.
Brett, what's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
Probably to just minimize future regrets.
What do you mean by that?
It's like, right now, I believe that the greatest motivator is not status, it's not money or fame, but it's death. Because I feel like every single day when I wake up, my battery of life is like diminishing. You know, like you never ever know when you're actually gonna die. So that is why I try to live every single day of my life as like the last day of my life, and this allow me to like work with like a maniacal sense of urgency, and this also allow me to just ensure that every single move that I do, right, every single goal that I try to accomplish is so that when I'm on my deathbed, I have like absolutely zero regrets. You know, I've lived a great life, I've helped the world, I've helped to make the world a better place. I've got a bunch of good kids who grew up to become like great people. I've created exceptional products which can change life. And yeah, just ensuring that I leave this place much better than I came in.
That's deep, bro. That's deep. Then
No regrets, man.
say how's your road to 10 million?
So this is the first episode for the road to 10M. If you guys want to see more episodes just like this, let me know how you guys find the first episode in the comments, right? Just go down, comment what is your favorite quote, what is your favorite moment inside this entire vlog, and what do you guys want to see in the next episode, because we might do some crazy shit. Who knows? Jarren might be planning my investments. He might like plan what stocks I buy in the next episode. So let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. And I think the main thing is just understand that there is no finish line. Like, there is no finish line. I'm still out here trading for 7 years, and I'm still showing up every single fucking day because, yeah, man, I'm just hard to kill. You just gotta become the person that's hard to kill.
He think 10M isn't about the money at the end. He think 10M is about being the man. Fuck you say, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
So yeah, nailed it. Yeah, making the $10 million is not about the money itself, but it's about the person you have to become in order to be worthy of that 10M. Right. It's like the person with the great character, who can endure hardship, who can become an economist when the market is down 50%. That's why I try to.
But Warren Buffett is fat and he's rich, so
So
so you can be fat and rich. You don't have to work out every day, right?
yeah, but Warren Buffett is also a fucking billionaire.
So to be a billionaire, you must eat McDonald's every day and be fat.
You have to learn how to invest like Warren Buffett. Fuck, the book is not here. Learn how to invest like Warren Buffett.
It's here.
Learn how to invest like Warren Buffett. Road to 10M. There you go. So yeah, just remember, never ever quit. Because for the younger Brad who's watching this, I just want to say I'm super duper proud of you, man. You made it, you're on the path to getting to 10M, and we just keep on showing up, we just keep on running. There is no fucking finish line, and hopefully we get the 10M before the 10th episode. Who knows? Let's get it.
Bye.
And wait, as always, remember, you're just
One trade away.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, it's a wrap, man. It's a good day, bro. That's it. I love it's a good day. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not about more, man. It's about less, actually.
Yeah.
Fuck. You know what? Let me drop some cool ass trading code right now. That's kind of cool. It's not just about your net worth, right? It's about your impact to the world or some shit, right?
I think it's your net worth.
Yeah.
Fucker keep buying at the top.
I'm bullish on crypto.